Nora's planting flowers. Her garden's 7 feet long and wide enough for one flower. She's going to plant a flower every 6 inches, including one at both ends. If 2/5 of her flowers are red, how many are red? So sometimes it helps on these problems to draw a picture. You need to kind of imagine she's got this long rectangular garden, and then she's going to plant a flower every 6 inches. It's not going to be rows of flower because it says the garden's only wide enough for one flower. So every 6 inches, there'll be a flower there, that flower there, 6 inches in between each of these. So the first thing we have to figure out is how many flowers we have total. Well, if we know this distance is 7 feet long, and we know in between them there's 6 inches, then we could use division to figure out how many flowers there would be. The problem is these are not in the same form. We got feet and we have inches. So the first thing I would do is change this feet to inches. So 7 times how many inches are in a foot? 12. So 7 times 12. I'm going to go off to the side here and do 12 times 7. And you get 14, 84 inches. So there are 84 inches in the entire garden, and each 6 inches there's going to be another flower. So then we need to do 84 divided by 6. 84 divided by 6. 6 goes into 8 one time. 2, bring down the 4. 6 goes into 24 14 times. Okay, that's 14. Now, this sentence here about including one at both ends, that 14 would account for the very last flower at the very end, but it would not account for the first flower. So I need to add 1 to include the first flower. So instead of 14, I'd do 14 plus 1. That would give me 15 flowers. So there are 15 flowers total. We want to know what 2/5 of those flowers are red. Well, 2/5 of tells you you're going to multiply by 2/5. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Multiply across, and you would get a total of 6 flowers.